Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to thank you all for your presence. I am Jessica from Bucket List, and we're very pleased to introduce our company to you and to the society with the hopes of making our lives better with and through technology. We are a group of young entrepreneurs, and same with most young people, we are victims of very poor self-discipline with the use of in terms of using social media and technology. So we decided to use our spring break and create something that can help us and our generation to live a better quality life through technology. And social media was initially created as a boon. It was created to help us all get connected easier, open our eyes, widen our knowledge about the world or the other side of the planet. Um, Technology really is the greatest gift we gave ourselves. And but since we are the first generation who experience this powerful technology, we are still learning how to manage this power. And same with every adjustment phase, we fail, we make mistakes, we make errors, and because this is so powerful and new, it's not impossible to be very aggressive or excessive and out of discipline when using it. So, this is how social media became a bane from a boon. Um, the problem social media effects on psychological state. Instagram emerged as the most a negative effect on the psychological state of young people, and YouTube is the most positive network in this area, and the only one in the research considered as net positive influence by Statista 2019. Now, YouTube stood out from the rest as having overall positive effect on mental health because it created awareness. It created community building and self-expression. The rest of the social media apps would make you feel not enough, especially Instagram, which is the lowest core or the most negative one. It doesn't drive too much cooperation from the audience, but there's a great information there. Let's not forget. The problem we have to solve now is how do we make use of that information from bane to boon. So the group want to have that same effect with YouTube, but outdoorsy in a different approach. Um, so since the target market of the technology today are young individuals, our company's target is to make millennials or the younger generation live a better quality life. So we've decided to conduct a study to this target audience to see if we confirmed or refute our hypothesis that millennials spend too much time on social media. So when we performed the survey concerned stood out is that 100% of the respondents feel unproductive every time they're on social media. And there's guilt feeling when they go over 5 hours a day and not doing anything and just like staring at their phone. So the team took the challenge to create something that will help make them feel productive when they're on social media because turning off social media, just turning it off is really impossible. So we created something that can help us manage, control, and discipline ourselves through social media. We created the Bucket List app. So, we are glad to present the one stop shop app that will help increase interaction and connection with people. This app will encourage you to go out and experience the world more through your existing social media platform. So, translating the information that would normally make you feel down um, and insecure to something you want to get up and try, you know? So, we've partnered with other social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the most app used today. So how does it work? This app should be downloaded first before you can get the full benefits. After downloading it, you'll have an option to log in through your Facebook or Instagram account. And once it's logged in, it automatically communicates whatever content you have in your current social media platform. So whenever you go to like a new restaurant, for example, or do an exciting activity like bungee jumping and post these activities and places in your existing platform, your followers or friends will be able to add them in their own bucket list. So there's also an option for them to add your whole list of like restaurants or like food category bucket list, since this app serves like an extension of one's current multiple social media platform. You can now view all your saved bucket list in an organized manner. So all in one app. It is organized per category like food, travel, fashion, etc. So from the app, the user can also view the most added post at the top of the bucket list item, either from their followed influencers or celebrities or to their family and friends. So, in the effort of encouraging our audience to use social media in a way to live life better, we hope to see the following results. Since it would be easier to connect with like-minded people regardless of location, religion, and social networks, our hope is that this app will help preserve and revive relationships. Even the corporate or business people can use this platform to develop a community in the industry they're interested in. Um, another hopes we have or like result is increased mental health. Bucket list encourages you to go out there and try out the activities and foods, products your friends, follower, and family saved in their bucket list. When you add a certain post to your bucket list, it's with the intention that you want to do that or visit that restaurant. So we expect that you are not tied up with your phone all day. So most of us are just at our phones because we don't know what to do. We're just trying to kill the time, right? Or we can't make any plans. So with this app or with this product, you have you have a to-do list already. With when you add that bucket list, that's your plan already. For example, if you go to San Francisco and you don't know what to do, you can just like check on your family or like friends or like the influencers on what they have in their bucket list in San Francisco and then add it in your bucket list and boom, you already have a plan on what to do. So another positive output of this is authentic support. Now, your followers are not like your IG followers, where you receive likes and number of views. Your followers will go to the places and do the same activities as you do. Posting your whereabouts will not make you feel like you just want to show the good side of life, but with the hopes of inviting your friends and family to do the same activities you did by the number of bucket lists they've added from your list. So you would know that, hey, she's wanting to like try out this thing I did because she added it in her bucket list, right? So you'd know they added your bucket list with the intent of enjoying it too. Lastly, we we um we expect the positive output of like community building. Our hopes is that this app will build a community or encourage our young adult individuals to create new activities or platform that hasn't been done before. We've seen a lot of ideas created because of a want or needs that are not existent as most of the time. These are thought of people with the same experience or interest. So that's that's really the goal of the company. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. You have a wonderful day.